こんにちは、メイです。私の日本語クラスルームへようこそ。Today we are going to keep learning Japanese with the textbook Genki. My previous video of this series was about greetings. Today we are going to learn numbers from 0 to 100, which is the next topic in the newest version of the textbook. So if you have the newest version of the book, please open to the page 35. And if you have the older version, maybe a second edition, I actually have the second edition here. And if you have this version, number is on page 48. Okay, first please listen to me counting from 0 to 10. All right? 0, 0, or 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, or 4, 4, or よ、よ、5、5、6、6、7、7、or 7、7、8、8、9、9、or 9、9、10、10。So, there are more than two pronunciations for the numbers 0, 4, 7, and 9, right? For 0, both 0 and 0 are commonly used. For 4, 7, and 9, the first pronunciation is standard. For 4, 4, for 7, 7, for 9, 9, right? These pronunciations are used more often compared to their alternatives. However, knowing the second and the third pronunciation is important because those are used to describe the months. For example, April, July, and September, and also describing the time. So, April is 4月, July, 7月, September, 9月, also 4 o'clock, 4時, 7 o'clock, 7時, 9 o'clock, 9時. Okay, so please try to memorize all the pronunciations. Now let's count up to 20. It's not so hard. 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, or 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, or 17, 17, 18, 18 19 19 or 19 19 20 20 How's that? So 11 is 10 and 1 10 1 so 11 for 15 10 and 5 so it's 15 15 alright for 20 it's 20 2 tenths 20 right okay now let's count up to 100 don't worry I am not gonna count every single number 30 30 How about this one? 31 31 40 40 What about this one? 42 42 50 50 This one 53 53 60 60 65 65 70 70 How about this one? 77 77 80 80 88 88 90 90 99 99 100 100 So just like 20, 30 is 3 tenths. So it's 30 40 4 tenths 40 alright and 100 is 100 100 okay that's it so numbers are super important so I hope you keep practicing counting up to 100 alright if you liked this lesson please like this video and subscribe my channel for more contents like this じゃあまた